Hey guys, Joe from TJ Designs. We're going to do another design today. Quick sketch for 18 by 24 garage sale yard sign. Usually made out of coroplast. Stick them in your front lawn. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll grab our rectangle tool. Click and drag, make a box. Change the height to 18. Width is going to be 24. So there's our basic shape. I'm going to go ahead and just wireframe this. Grab your text tool and all caps, just type out garage and sale underneath. I'm going to go ahead and make this bold. Just use Arial bold. Nice and easy to read. Drag that over, nice and big. I want this to be seen far away. Alright, let's make these go with a red. Let's make a background color. I'm going to come in a little bit. So it's an outline, change this to inline. I'm going to change that background color to a yellow. Here, there we go. Now we're going to put an outline around these letters. Change this inline to outline. Go black. That's a little bit thick. We're going to come down a little bit. One more. There we go. Alright. Now, when you stick these all over, you're going to want an address of where people need to go. So down here, we're going to make a box. Let's make that white. Let's change that to rounded corners. There you go. Now you can put all your information in here. Put a little outline on here so it stands out a little bit better. Let's go. One. There we go. Now I'm going to just shrink this in a little bit. Need a little bit more space. Now we're going to need some sort of direction on where to go. So we're going to make an arrow going to the right. So I'm going to draw an arrow. Actually, let's grab our arrow tool. FLEXI Sign program that I'm using actually has an arrow tool. Click on your shapes over here. Click the arrow. And let's just make it over here. Nice size arrow. So now we're going to make this a little bit thicker, which all these shapes are over here. So the width, second one down here, that changes the thickness of the horizontal line here. So I'm just going to click that up, make it a little bit thicker. That's good right there. And let's make this go the opposite way, change the direction, mirror over here. And change the size, shrink this down. I want to make this go all the way over to here. So again, we're going to go into the arrow over here and just look for the length, which is fourth one down. Just click that, make this a little bit longer. See how far we need here. Keep going. All the way to the end. Now I'm going to cut it here in here so you can read the sale. And we're going to do a cutout. So grab your rectangle tool and just drag it over the arrow far enough so it's going to go past the word sale. You're going to select that and the arrow. The box that I drew is in front of the arrow, so we're going to cut out that box from the arrow. So go up here to your combination tools, and the third one over is cutout. Click on that. Now that cuts out so words come through. That's it. That's a simple garage sale sign. Put your information down here. Address, where to go, the hours. You can change this however you want. Change this arrow to red if you want. Change your background colors. Leave it white. Make it nice and simple. Change the arrow to black. Anything you want. Control Z. Go back to the way it was. Alright guys. Have fun. Till the next design.